Have you ever looked up at a towering mountain and wondered how such massive structures ever came to be? These incredible geological features aren't just piles of rock. They are monuments built over millions of years by the Earth's incredible power. To understand mountains, we first have to talk about the tectonic plates that make up our planet's outer shell. These colossal slabs of crust are constantly, albeit very slowly, drifting across the molten layer beneath them. The most dramatic mountains form when these massive plates interact at their boundaries. When two continental plates crash head-on, neither one wants to sink below the other. Instead, the immense pressure forces the crust to buckle, fold, and uplift in a process called orogeny. Think of it like pushing both ends of a rug together on the floor. It wrinkles up in the middle. This process is responsible for creating some of the world's highest ranges, like the mighty Himalayas. But that is not the only way to build a giant peak. Volcanoes offer another dramatic method. When magma from deep within the earth forces its way up through a crack in the crust, it eventually piles up layer upon layer. Over countless eruptions, these accumulating layers of lava and ash build up a cone-shaped structure we recognize as a volcano. Sometimes this happens where one oceanic plate slides beneath another in a process called subduction. This sinking plate melts, creating magma that fuels chains of volcanoes along the edge of the overriding plate. A third major type of mountain is created by tension and stretching within the Earth's crust. Huge blocks of rock are broken along fractures called faults, causing some sections to be pushed up while others drop down. The resulting elevated blocks, known as horsts, form distinct, often steep-sided fault block mountains. Once a mountain range has risen, its battle with the elements immediately begins. Wind, water, ice, and even temperature changes relentlessly work to break down the towering rock. This slow, constant erosion carves out the sharp peaks, deep valleys, and dramatic ridges we see today. It is a fascinating interplay between the constructive forces pushing the land up and the destructive forces wearing it down. So, every time you see a mountain, you are looking at a tangible record of Earth's dynamic and powerful geological history. From slow tectonic collisions to fiery volcanic eruptions, mountains truly are the planet's enduring masterpieces.